Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the visual feast of the glamour, talent, and empowerment. Our cameras were the front and the center at the Spring Club, Kolkata, capturing every glittering moment of the fourth edition of the PNC Fest of West Bengal and the calendar launch. From the backstage hustle to the dazzling runway, we have documented the incredible journey of individuals from diverse backgrounds as they underwent 6 months of the transformative grooming by the esteemed PNC group. This spectacular event wouldn't have been possible without the support of the incredible partners. Big shout out to the SWAM advisors, Tayakal, Anish Kakurgachi, NY Salon, Calf Nero, Techno India, Chopstick, Bento Shine, Renz FM, Peru Creative Networks, and many more. Your support has truly made this event a resounding success.
I'm very happy to be here. This is PNC Group's Face of West Bengal Season 4. मैं first season से ही I'm involved in this pageant. Bilkis was a student of mine and today she calls me and asks me to be the jury. It's a very proud moment for me. So I am very happy to be the jury today, and the best part of this pageant is there's no shape, no age, no size criteria. So for that, I hope that we can get confidence as a major baseline. Beauty with brains for me is all about confidence, because if you have the confidence, you can carry yourself in any position in any place.
সাইজে ডিফারেন্ট এজ গ্রুপে সবাই আমরা এখানে ইউনিক, প্রত্যেকে আমাদের নিজস্ব ট্যালেন্ট আছে এবং সেই ট্যালেন্টের থ্রুতেই আজকে আমরা সবাই একই স্টেজে দাঁড়িয়েছি। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
See, if you look at the PNC group, they work very actively with a diverse group of women. If you look at across age, across in terms of age categories, different kind of backgrounds. In fact, if you look at this group as well, which are the finalists, there are people from accounting background, there are people who are company secretaries, there are people who are from model background. So it's a very diverse group which is there across different ages. So one important thing is it tries to cover the inner beauty of an individual rather than the external beauty. I think that's very important, and our company supports on women empowerment. We, SWAM Advisors Limited, work in terms of financial freedom for women, and we help them in terms of achieving their financial freedom.
Different ways, but ultimately, if we have money in life, but there is no love, no family, so there is no meaning to stay, in life. There is no.
But like the saying, actually, when poverty knocks at the door, love flies out of the window.
Right.
So what is the thing? What is the reason?
If there is support to each other, if we have that support, me and my partner, we have that support and understanding and the partnership, then I think.
The red carpet witnessed the presence of distinguished personalities from various fields, adding an extra layer of glamour to the evening. We had the honor of hosting Manushi Rai Chaudhary, Ramesh Sharma, Didyat Palpain, Rajat Day, Indranil Mukherjee, Raja Jain, Dr. Vikram Singh Rathore, C.A. Radharaman Agarwal, and many other luminaries. Public Daily Bulletin, co-powered by Mishra Interiors, where dreams meet designs. Transform your living places with Mishra Interiors. Call 7439437335 to elevate your home decor to unparalleled elegance.
लेटेस्ट में
Latest.
लेटेस्ट तो मैंने अभी कोई पिक्चर देखी नहीं. मुझे शाहरुख खान की DDLG बहुत पसंद है सर.
और क्यों पसंद है? ये that was.
इसलिए पसंद है सर कि वो बहुत रोमांटिक पिक्चर है, वो बहुत रोमांटिक हीरो है और मुझे रोमांटिक लोग बहुत पसंद है.
A very honest and a lovely answer.
It's very honest and lovely answer. Thank you very much. Can we have one round of applause?
খুবই ভালো লাগলো স্যার, গুড ফিলিংই হবে, কারণ কেউ কাউকে ভালোবাসলে তো সেটা আন্তরিকতা এবং ভালো লাগারই কথা.
Now let's talk about the real star of the night, our incredible winners. Swagata Roy Chaudhary clinched the gold title, Srijita Banerjee dazzled as the platinum winner, and Mausumi Basu earned the prestigious plus title. Their charisma lit up the stage and their transformation were nothing short of awe-inspiring. Behind this grand event is the vision of Brooks Parvin, the driving force behind PNC Group. Dedication and passion have created a platform that not only celebrates beauty but also empowers individuals to become confident role models. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Public Delhi Bulletin for more exclusive coverage of the event that celebrate talent and empowerment. Until next time, stay tuned and stay empowered.